Previously. Draw locks and draw magnets.
We're completely changing the way we run our channel.
Before we show you what we've been up to on the van, we want to talk to you about the future of our channel.
Over the past 2 years, we've been sticking to a schedule to help improve our filming, editing, and to build an audience. Now we think it's time to start focusing on quality.
Going into the van build, we deeply underestimated how much work it would be. Building, filming, editing, uploading, and we definitely think the quality has suffered because of it.
Our plan is to reduce the frequency of our long form content. We're still going to be uploading shorts and making other posts, but we really want to take the time to focus on quality.
Now we're going to update you on the van. Bye! Bless you!
Sneezy boy.
It's official. The worktop has turned up and we're making the first cut today. We both are in like moods where we just want to eat dinner and go to bed. But we're going to do something productive today. Aren't we, babe?
No.
He's hangry. And we got
Plug out!
big white sink. And here, it's right over.
After many adjustments to the opening for the sink, we finally got it to fit. It definitely didn't take us 2 days.
Look at that sink. That's a sexy sink.
It's how dusty.
We quickly drilled a hole to fit the tap, threw it all back in the van, and it looks incredible.
Look at it. It's amazing.
Looks good.
Okay, so we're planning to finally go away this weekend, which is beyond exciting. First official trip in the van. And today's job is to get all the cutlery, plates, cups, everything out, wash them, put them in the drawers, nice and neatly. Not that they'll stay that way. And get the chairs out, get everything all neat out, pack up the van. Don't think I'll get that far today, but it's a start. Pots and pans. As soon as I turn off the camera, In my mind, this was going to be a much better shot. I also need to buy some curtains, so we're going to do that today. Even though I have no money, it's a future me problem. Give me an ooh. Oh. Say, we're going to be back. Ooh. Say, see you later.